the spacer and the inside diameter of the seal and slide them together. Once together, lube the outside diameter of the seal. Slide the combined seal and spacer over the sprocket shaft with the lip of the seal facing out. Thread number 973-1 into the end of the sprocket shaft, and then thread number 97225-55-1 onto the end of the 973-1. Slide your 5810 seal installer tool over the shaft and gently press it into the seal. Place your nice bearings over the tool. Make sure the bearing is lubricated between the two washers. Thread on the 1026 bead nut with the round end of the nut facing inward. Tighten the nut with a wrench or a socket. This socket is the JIMS 94660-37A. Tighten it until the tool bottoms out completely. Once the seal is pressed in, simply remove your tools and you are done.